As a contractor, I care about my tools because they can make or break a job. The team at Lowe's knows that too. So they asked me to test some of the newest and best products out there the only way you can, on the job. I'm Wes, and this is the Lowe's Pro Brand Challenge. All right, so today, I'm gonna stop by a few friends' job sites, see if they'll help me test them out. Hey, what you working on, Luke?
Put some plywood sheeting down on this floor.
Man, I bet you've gone through a lot of circular saw blades making all those cuts.
I have gone through many a circular saw blade.
I have brought you a present, my friend. Tarantula Spyder Circ Blade.
The tarantula.
It's actually got nickel cobalt teeth. It's gonna cut super smooth and last 6 times longer than any regular blade. Try it out, and in a few days, come back to my shop. I wanna hear what you think.
All right, you got it.
I'll see you then, bud.
All right, you take it easy.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, Wes.
Oh, check it out, roughing some wire.
Oh, yes. So we're doing a bunch of 14, too.
I bet you go through a lot of bits drilling all those holes.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Well, check this out. I brought my friend a little present. Spyder Stinger bits, they've got this anti-clog tip on them. It's gonna pull the bit right through the wood. You're not gonna have to push, less wear and tear on your body. You're gonna love it.
Perfect.
Check them out. In a couple days, come back to my shop. I wanna hear what you think.
All right, thanks.
All right.
Appreciate it.
See ya. So you guys had a few days, test out these Spyder tools. I want to know what you think.
I was skeptical at first that a new blade would make a huge difference, but it took everything I could throw at it. Really clean cuts, very smooth. I think I'm converted to the Spyder blade.
Love to hear it. Jamie, what do you think?
So I was really impressed. I drilled all day with it, and it didn't clog up on me. And then, you know, going overhead, it's saving the shoulders.
Man, it's great. Sounds like Spyder is a legit competitor.
So I have to agree.
So Lowe's has one more challenge for us, and I think this is where we're gonna see Spyder really pull ahead. So I've set up a bit of a torture test. Each of you are going to be cutting 5 2-inch holes in 3/4 inch MDF, and then get as close as you can to a 45-degree angle in a 2x6, and we're gonna finish off with 5 holes in double-stacked hardy board. So who wants to go first?
I'll give it a go.
There we go. All right, Luke, have at it. Ready, set, drill. One, and he's already burning. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the worst part, trying to pry those plugs out. You like a challenge, bud.
I don't have the dip.
All right, let's see what this thing has left. That's it. Clocked in at 5:29. Jamie, I want you to give the Spyder a go.
All right, let's do it.
On your mark, get set, drill. Wow, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Looks like Spyder really stepped up to the challenge. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Jamie. Appreciate you guys. Check out all of Spyder's line of products and Lowe's Pros exclusives in store, and we'll see you next time on the Lowe's Pro Brand Challenge.